Want to add page numbers in Microsoft Word, but only starting from a specific page? Maybe you want to skip the cover page or start numbering from chapter 1. I'll walk you through exactly how to do this, step by step. Welcome to How to Guide Tech. First, let's cover the simple scenario. If you just want to remove page numbers from your cover page and start from page 2, here's what you'll do. Go to the Insert tab, click Page Number, and choose your preferred position. I personally like Classic Top Center, but pick whatever works for your document. Now you'll notice page numbers appear on every page, including that cover page. To fix this, while in the header, look for the Header and Footer Tools menu that appeared at the top. Simply check the box that says Different First Page, and voila, the page number disappears from your cover page. Your second page will now show page 2, but if you want it to display as page 1 instead, click Page Number in the Header and Footer tab, select Format Page Numbers, and change the start number to 0. This makes your cover page essentially page 0, so your content starts at page 1. But here's where it gets interesting. What if you want to start page numbers from page 3, or page 7, or any other page in your document? The Different First Page trick won't cut it here. You'll need to use section breaks, and trust me, it's easier than it sounds. Here's the key concept. You're going to divide your document into separate sections. One section for pages without numbers, and another section for pages with numbers. First, make sure that Different First Page option is unchecked so we're starting fresh. Let's say you want page numbers to start from page 4. Click at the very end of page 3. Then go to the Layout tab. Click Breaks, and under Section Breaks, select Next Page. To see what just happened, go to the Home tab and click that paragraph symbol to show formatting marks. You'll see a section break has been inserted. Now here's the crucial step that trips up most people. Double-click in the header area of your second section, which is page 4 and beyond. In the Header and Footer Tools tab, you'll see a button called Link to Previous. Click it to turn off that link. This breaks the connection between your two sections, which means you can now control their page numbering independently. Simply delete the page numbers from your first section by selecting and deleting them. Your page numbers now start from page 4, but it's showing as page 0. If you want it to show as page 1 instead, right-click on the page number, select Format Page Numbers, choose Start at 1, and enter 1. Want to get fancy? You can even use Roman numerals for your preliminary pages. Just click in your first section, go to Insert, Page Number, Format Page Numbers, and change the number format to Roman numerals. Don't forget, like me, to start from 1 again. Your table of contents and introduction pages will show as lowercase Roman numerals, while your main content uses regular numbers. And that's how you master page numbering in Word. Whether you're working on a thesis, a report, or any professional document, you now have complete control over where your page numbers start and how they display.